This is Your Reviews, and my name is Anurag. Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to be reviewing the FORME R7. This phone has been creating much demand in the market lately, so let's go find out what's it all about. I got me this phone on UDAAN.com. UDAAN is a smartphone mobile app. It's a marketplace on which manufacturers and wholesalers can sell their products to retailers. The company provides logistics, payments, and technology support. And by the way, the FORME R7 is exclusively available only on the UDAAN app. So if you haven't downloaded the UDAAN app already, you are missing out on everything. So you can order your FORME phones on the UDAAN app like so. I'll be sharing the links on the description as well. And everything will be delivered to you on cash on delivery with proper GST bills. Go ahead and have a look. You'll be surprised what you might find. The phone comes with a dual 13 megapixel camera with 1 second face recognition. The front camera rocks an 8 megapixel selfie camera with front flash. It's got 3 GB RAM and 16 GB internal storage. The display is a 5-inch HD LCD display. It's running Android 7.0 Nougat on Mediatek 6737 quad-core ARM A53 processor, clocked between 1.1 to 1.3 GHz, clubbed with a 2500 mAh battery. Now there's ample juice and power in abundance that you can expect in this price range, hands down. Now there's enough talking, let's go open up this beast, shall we? So I'll quickly go ahead and fast forward most of it so we can quickly get into the phone aesthetics part. Phone comes with the hybrid SIM tray along with the SIM ejector tool. Okay, good news, it comes with a silicone back case and a screen protector too. User manual, warranty card, a 5-volt power block should deliver decent charging speed. This headphone seems a bit ordinary, but it's still better than no headphones. And lastly, a data cum charging cable. Finally, here comes the favorite part, the sticker lamination peeling off part. It's just so satisfying. Voila! Okay, let's just see what we have over here. Okay, it's a 5-inch LCD screen and I must say it looks spectacular for the price it comes in. The back is made out of plastic, although you can never tell. It really has a very nice metal finish to it. The color, I feel it's copper red, shiny copper red. Well, let me just focus in a bit. Okay, there goes the 3.5mm headphone jack, and it has a USB 2.0 port. It has a hybrid SIM tray, so you can put either 2 SIM cards or 1 SIM and 1 SD card, suppose up to 64 GB. The speaker and the mic grill are at the bottom. Over here there is the volume rocker and the lock button. The camera is a dual camera setup at the back and at the front too, so it's basically a quad camera setup phone. At the bottom here we have the capacitive touch button. Let's put the FORME R7 to the real world test. During our test we had no complaints regarding the call quality and the network reception. I tested out both the GSM network and the VoLTE network and it worked perfectly fine. Just like the OnePlus and Honor, it comes with a camera watermark on and on option, which to me it gives it a good touch. Here are some photos taken from the front and the back camera. The photos came out great. It's surprising to see a phone at this price segment delivering such fine photos. However, we noticed some color saturation and low light noise during our tests, but with proper lighting and daylight, it delivers amazing photos. The video, however, isn't as great as the photographic capabilities of this phone. One of the main features of this phone is face recognition. Once you register your face for the face unlocking, you can then unlock this phone with just your face. The phone takes a second to unlock, which is okay and can come in handy at times when you're too lazy to unlock your phone with the passcode. This phone, however, lacks raise to wake feature unlike the iPhone and Realme. And this is how it works. This phone is a beast when it comes to light gaming. We tested out playing Temple Run and Subway Surfer, and you can expect absolutely no lags whatsoever. But when it comes to heavy gaming like PUBG or Fortnite, you can experience some lags, but tweaking the graphics intensity to the minimum will let you enjoy a better gameplay, just like so. FORME R7 is powered by Mediatek MT6737 processor. It's one of the most popular chipset from Mediatek, designed specially for budget segment smartphones. It is a quad-core chipset with Cortex A53 cores clocked at 1.3 GHz. The chipset gets Mali T720 GPU on board for enhanced graphics performance and support Cat4 LTE network. Popular phones running the same processor are Motorola E4 Plus, Nokia 3, Panasonic P90 and Mobistar X1 Dual. By this it means the FORME R7 can handle gaming and also can take amazing photos. So this was the R7 from FORME. I hope this was helpful. Please subscribe to the channel UA Reviews, as there are plenty more phones and gadgets to be reviewed here on this channel. Do leave your comment down below to help us make the upcoming videos better for your liking. My name is Anurag and this has been UA Reviews.